Welcome to our Pass Line Bet Guide. This video is part of the Craps Academy series by pro craps player and author Bill Collins. The pass line is a fundamental bet in craps. It is a clearly labeled strip that runs around the craps table, about a foot inside the outer edge. It's easily accessible to all players, as it's a self-service bet. To play it, simply place a minimum bet on the area labeled pass line in front of you. This bet becomes available when a new shooter takes the dice, after the previous one wins or loses his point, and the puck is set to off. When you make a pass line bet, you win even money if a 7 or 11 rolls before a point number. However, if a 2, 3, or 12 rolls before a point number, you lose your pass line bet. Any other number that rolls becomes the shooter's point, and they must repeat it before rolling a losing 7 to win pass line bets. Once the point is established, you may put up to the casino's maximum odds bet behind your pass line bet, just on your side of the area marked pass line. If your pass line bet is lost to a craps, it will be swept away by the dealer and you will have to replace it when a new shooter rolls the dice, or after the puck is set to off. Once the point is established, you can place additional odds bets behind your pass line bet. These bets pay off at true odds, meaning the casino has no advantage. The payouts vary based on the point number. For example, winning the pass line bet will reward you at a rate of 1 to 1. While the odds on 6 and 8 pay off at 6 to 5, the odds on 5 and 9 pay off at 3 to 2, while the odds on 4 and 10 pay off at a rate of 2 to 1. The pass line bet is popular because it's a simple bet. The shooter aims to win their pass line bet by rolling a winning 7 or 11 on the first roll of the dice. You can combine the pass line bet with a field bet, but it doesn't provide any special advantage. Field bets can be made on any roll, including come-out rolls. You cannot place a pass line bet after the come-out roll. However, you can make a come bet, which functions similarly to a newly placed pass line bet. It will win or lose on the shooter's next roll, just like a pass line bet. Some players, like Bill, prefer a strategy called the DOEY-DON'T. It involves placing both a pass line bet and a don't pass bet, canceling each other out. Bill enjoys this approach as it allows him to focus on bigger inside or across bets, aiming for larger payoffs. This concludes our guide to the pass line betting craps. Remember, mastering the pass line is a great starting point for beginners. For more advanced bets and strategies, explore our comprehensive craps guide. Have fun and good luck!